Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset Roku pin if forgotten. Let's go. You want to install apps, but you don't remember the pin code. What to do? Open Roku app. Open account info. Pin settings. Enter new pin. Confirm new pin. Done. That's it. Now you know how to reset Roku pin if forgotten. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.